Hey guys, in this video I am going to show you that how to fix something went wrong in Need For the Speed Unbound error in Madden NFL 23. So our first method is that you have to just open your Chrome browser and then search here for EA and hit the enter. After doing so, you have to just open the first website here. At this interface, you have to just click on the profile icon at the top right corner. After click on it, you will find the two options here, sign in and create account. If you have already an account, then you have to just sign in. Otherwise, you have to just click on the create account. Basically, you have to sign in with PlayStation and accept terms and the conditions. For this, click on this icon here, and after this you have to just wait for the processing. At this interface, you have to just put your email address and the password. After doing so, you have to just go back to the game, and this time your error will be fixed. Our second method is that you have to just restart your PC one time. After restarting your PC, your problem will be fixed automatically. And the third and the most effective method is that you have to just click on your internet connection and turn on the airplane mode for 10 to 20 seconds, and after this you have to just turn it again on, and doing so you have to just restore your internet connection or try to change the router of internet connection. After doing so, your problem will be fixed. I hope this video will be helpful for you. For more information, you can visit my website whose link I have shared in this video's description. So give this video a big thumbs up and also subscribe my channel at me guide. Thanks for watching.